Hi guys, it's Carell and welcome back to my YouTube channel, or welcome if you're new here. I'm back with a Walmart winter and holiday haul, and I have lots of sweaters to share with you guys in this haul and a few dresses. This haul might be a little bit short, but I wanted to share these items with you guys before they're sold out and a few items are on sale. If I sound nasally or sick, and that's because I'm getting over a cold, so please forgive my voice. If you're new here, please consider hitting the subscribe button down below and follow me on all my social media. I'm starting today's haul with this very popular sweater dress from Free Assembly. It's available in sizes extra small to 4X. I'm wearing it here in the size 2XL and the price is $37. I have it here in black, but it's also available in white, and I do love a classic black dress for the holiday season. This dress features a higher crew neckline. It does have thicker straps, so even though this is a sleeveless dress, I was able to wear my regular bra with this dress, which is a major plus. It has the beautiful rhinestone details all throughout in the front, and unfortunately it doesn't have it in the back. I wish the rhinestone was all throughout on this dress. It does have a seam detail here underneath the bust area, and the material on this dress is thick and it's very stretchy, and it has a little bit of warmth to it, so it's more of a mid-weight type of sweater dress. This sweater dress features a flared skirt and it is a midi length on me. You could go ahead and style with your favorite kitten heels. I feel like this dress would look really nice with kitten heels. But you could also style this dress with your favorite knee-high boots. I've been seeing a lot of girls add like a turtleneck or a longer sleeve that's sheer underneath this dress, and I've been loving that look. Free Assembly had a dress similar to this one last year and it sold out so quickly. It was one of my best sellers, so I'm sure this dress is gonna sell out very quickly. And this sweater dress is gonna be very appropriate for any holiday party. It's gonna be appropriate for a Christmas party, work holiday party, and even New Year's Eve. I highly recommend this sweater dress, and of course you could wear this to church also for Christmas Sunday. This is just such a nice sweater dress to have in your closet. Next up is this sequin dress from Terra and Sky. It's available in sizes 0X to 5X. I'm wearing it here in the size 2X and the price is $32.98. It's only available in black. This dress features a surplice neckline and it does have a modesty button here in the chest area. And I'm very happy we do have the modesty button here in the chest area. If not, it's a very deep V cut in the chest. The sleeves are long and slightly oversized, and we do have the sequin detail all throughout on this dress. And just look at that shimmer. This is giving all the New Year's Eve vibes. This dress would be perfect for any New Year's Eve party. This dress has a beautiful sequin detail all throughout and is fully lined underneath. One suggestion is that you guys size down one in this dress because it's loosely fitted on me in the arm area. It does have a stretchy panel here in the back, and it has a belt to the side which is adjustable, and this is a full wrap dress, so you don't have to worry about keeping it together. This dress is a mini length on me. You could go ahead and style this with your favorite stockings underneath and some mules, and that will be just such a look for the holiday season, and add your favorite sparkly bag. This is just such a very well made dress and it's gonna be perfect for any holiday party. This shirt dress is from Time and True. It's available in sizes extra small to 3XL. I'm wearing it here in the size 3XL and the price is $19.98. I am wearing it here in black, but it's also available in burgundy. This dress features a crew neckline, functional buttons going all the way down the front. The sleeves are short and it does have the beautiful scallop trim, and it also has these beautiful fringe details going around the cuff also. As you guys could see, this is made from a lace material all throughout, but it does have a slip dress underneath, so you don't have to worry about showing anything. Of course, that would be crazy. It is a mini length and it has a scallop trim going all the way around. I do wish that this dress was available in plus sizes because the slip dress underneath is a little bit tight on me, so unfortunately I have to return this dress. Overall, I think this dress is a very cute dress. You can start with your favorite stockings and knee-high boots, and if you don't want to wear it with knee-high boots, I think this would look cute with some ballet flats also. Next is this Fair Isle sweater from Free Assembly. It's available in sizes extra small to 4X. I'm wearing it here in the size 2X and the price is $26. I have it here in this black and gray print, but it's also available in one additional color, and that color is a blue vibrant color, just in case you want a more brighter color for the winter season. It does feature a ribbed crew neckline, drop shoulders, and it has these oversized puff sleeve, and it does have a fitted rib cuff, and I like the cuff on these. They're a little bit taller and it gives the sweater a more sophisticated look. It's slightly fitted throughout, so if you want this to be more oversized, definitely size up one. And I absolutely love the Fair Isle print throughout on this sweater. This sweater is more of a cropped and boxy fit, and it has a ribbed hem. I did go ahead and style this sweater with some high-waisted jeans, but you could style this with your favorite skirt. You could layer this over your favorite slit dress also and add a belt at the waist. You could style it so many different ways. This sweater is made from a polyester wool blend material, and it has a little bit of weight on it, so it's gonna be perfect for the winter season. Next up are these jeans from Free Assembly, and I want to say these are my absolute favorite jeans from Free Assembly. It is available in sizes 0 to 26. I'm wearing it here in the size 20 women's, and the price is $27. I did go ahead and pick it up in the wash black, but it's also available in a medium wash and a darker wash. This is a high-rise pants, and I love that it's a true high-rise. It does have a little bit of stretch in the waist, but not too much stretch. This is made from 99% cotton and only 1% polyester. It does have a button closure and a zip fly. It has functional pockets in the front and 2 functional pockets here in the back. These jeans have a relaxed fit throughout, and it does have a wide leg, and the inseam on this jeans is 30 inches, so it's a good length. And what I love about these jeans the most is that they're a true high rise. I love the length, and this is the type of jeans you could dress up or dress down, wear it with your favorite flats, heels, or booties, and style with your favorite sweater or a more fitted top and add a blazer over it. This is a classic cut, and I highly recommend this jeans. Everyone need a classic jeans in their closet, and this one surely is. I am going to pick it up in additional washes. Next up is this sweater from Scoop. It's available in sizes extra small to 2XL. I'm wearing it here in the size 2XL, and the price is $28. I have it here in this beautiful purple jacquard print, but it's also available in 2 additional colors. This sweater features a higher crew neckline, drop shoulders, long oversized puff sleeve, and it does have a fitted rib cuff. The material on this sweater is buttery soft, guys. I wish you guys could feel it. It's super soft to the touch. It also has like a brush material throughout, but it doesn't feel itchy. This is more of a mid-weight sweater, and it is a tunic length, so it is a longer sweater, which is going to be perfect to pair with your favorite leggings. It also has a ribbed hem. You could go ahead and style this sweater with your favorite jeans and of course your favorite leggings. This is the type of sweater you could dress up or dress down. It's gonna be perfect for the holiday season, but also perfect for the winter season. I highly recommend this sweater. Next is this cozy jacket from Terra and Sky. It's available in sizes 1X to 5X. I'm wearing it here in the size 2X, and the price is $24.98. I did go ahead and pick it up in this beautiful color Walmart is calling Sparkling Merlot, but it's also available in 3 additional colors and print. This jacket features a spread collar, functional buttons going all the way down the front, and it does feature 2 functional chest pockets. It also has drop shoulders, long sleeve which are loosely fitted, and it does have a button cuff. This jacket is loosely fitted throughout, and you could wear it buttoned up like I did, but you could also unbutton it and add your favorite long sleeve sweater underneath because this is very roomy. This jacket is definitely a longer length because I did go ahead and start with my favorite leggings from Terra and Sky, which I'm gonna have linked down below for you guys also. This jacket is so cozy and plush. It's gonna be perfect for the colder winter season. This space dye sweater is from Terra and Sky. It's available in sizes 0X to 5X. I'm wearing it here in the size 2X, and the price is $22.98. I did go ahead and pick it up in this brown stripe print, but it's also available in a pink and blue stripe print. This sweater features a crew neckline, drop shoulders, long sleeve which are slightly oversized, and it does have a rib cuff. It also has these beautiful seam details all throughout, which is very trendy for the winter 2025 season. And this sweater is loosely fitted, size up one if you want even more room in this this sweater. The material is super soft to the touch and I love the print on this sweater. It is a longer length sweater and it does have a ribbed hem. This is more of a casual sweater. It's going to be perfect to wear for your errands. You could also wear this to work with your favorite trousers. I did go ahead and start with some jeans from Jessica Simpson, which is still available, so I'm going to link them down below for you guys to shop also. And this sweater is just so super soft and cozy. It's going to be perfect for the colder season. This sweater is from Time and True. It's available in sizes extra small to 3XL. I'm wearing it here in the size 3XL and the original price is $17.98. It's currently on sale for $10, which is such a good deal. I did pick it up in black, but it's also available in several different colors. It does have this chunky turtle neckline, drop shoulders, long sleeve which are oversized, and going down the sleeve we have this beautiful chunky cable knit material. It does have a rib cuff and it's loosely fitted throughout, and this sweater is made from a cotton blend material and it has more of a medium weight on it, so it's perfect for the colder season. This is more of a tunic length sweater, I want to say, so this is going to be perfect to style with your favorite jeans or leggings. You could also style with your favorite mini skirt. This is a sweater that I highly recommend. It's always good to have a classic turtleneck in your closet, and at this price point I would pick this up in several different colors. Next up is this sweater from Time and True. It's available in sizes extra small to 3XL. I'm wearing it here in the size 3XL and the original price is $17.98, but it's currently on clearance for $7, which is such a steal. I have it here in this brown color, but it's also available in several different colors, so make sure you stock up before these are sold out. This sweater features a higher ribbed crew neckline, drop shoulders, long sleeve which are loosely fitted, and it does have a fitted rib cuff. And the material on this sweater is a ribbed cotton blend material, and this sweater also has the trending seam details throughout. This sweater is more of a cropped and boxy fit, so what I do, I like to style these type of sweater with my favorite high-rise jeans or my favorite high-rise pants for work. I have this sweater here in brown, but I also went ahead and picked it up in green because at $7 you can't beat the price. And I also have this sweater in burgundy, but I wore it to work already, and I absolutely love the look of this sweater from Time and True. This is the type of sweater you could dress up or dress down. Next up, I have a few sweaters from Penney to share with you guys, which I purchased on Black Friday. And first up is this Henley sweater from Anna. It's available in sizes extra small to 2XL. I'm wearing it here in the size 2XL and the price is $38, but I got it on sale on Black Friday for $10, which is such a steal. I do have it here in the stripe color, but it's also available in several different colors. This sweater features a crew neckline, functional buttons going all the way down the front, drop shoulders, long sleeve which are loosely fitted, and it does have the ribbed cuff. This sweater is loosely fitted throughout and the material is super soft and cozy, and it does have the seam details throughout, which is very trendy. This is a longer length sweater and you could go ahead and style with your favorite jeans or trousers. I like to wear this sweater to work. I did share it in the chocolate color with you guys earlier in the fall season, and every time I wear it to work I get so many compliments on it, so of course I had to pick it up in additional colors at $10. So I did go ahead and pick it up in gray. It's also available in blue, but the blue was sold out in my size at my local Penney when I was shopping on Black Friday. I highly recommend these sweaters. They wash really well and they look so nice when you style them with your favorite jeans or dress pants. Next up is this sweater from Anna. It's available in sizes extra small to 2XL. I'm wearing it here in the size 2XL. This sweater is also available in plus sizes. I do have it here in this oatmeal color, but it's also available in additional prints. This sweater features a higher crew neckline, drop shoulders, long sleeve which are loosely fitted, and it does have a ribbed cuff. And the material on this sweater is super soft to the touch, and it's more of a medium weight sweater, but I feel like this sweater is a little bit see-through also. This sweater is more of of a tunic length and it does have a ribbed hem, so it's gonna be perfect to wear with your favorite leggings or jeans. I am gonna return this sweater and size down to the extra large because I feel like it's just a little bit too long on me and then it cuts me off a little bit, so I want to size down to see if I could get it a little bit shorter. I did go ahead and pick it up in the gray color also because it was $10, such a good price point. This cable knit sweater is from St. John's Bay. It's available in sizes 0x to 5x. I'm wearing it here in the size 2x, and the original price is $42, but it's currently on sale for $13.49. I do have it here in gray, but it's also available in several different colors. This sweater features a ribbed crew neckline, long sleeve which are fitted, and it does have a ribbed cuff. This sweater is fitted throughout, so if you want it to be more loosely fitted, I would suggest you guys size up one. It is made from a chunky cable knit material, so it's super soft to the touch, and this sweater is a longer length and it does have a ribbed hem. Go ahead and style this sweater with your favorite skirt, your favorite jeans, or your favorite trousers. Lastly is this sweater that I'm wearing from Penney. It's from the Anna brand. It's available in sizes 0x to 5x. I'm wearing it here in the size 2x and the original price is $52, but I got it on sale for around $27. I have it here in this beautiful chocolate color, but it's also available in purple, and it does have a crew neckline, long sleeve which are very loosely fitted, and what I love about this sweater is the slouchy fit all throughout, and it has this chunky cable knit material. I like to wear this sweater with my favorite leggings or jeans, and I love that this sweater is made from such good quality material because I've worn it several different times. I've washed it and it's held up really well. Also, what I love about Penney is that they constantly restock their items. The items don't sell out as quickly as Walmart, so this is still available, so I'm gonna link it down below for you guys to shop. Thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share, and comment down below which pieces were your favorite. Also, if you're not following me on the Like to Know It app, go ahead and give me a follow over there. I do post new arrivals, restock alert, outfit ideas, and so much more. I also posted on the post tab here on YouTube, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye, guys.